Hello YouTubers. First I want to apologize for the quality of this video. I'm absolutely not a professional YouTuber or reviewer. I just want to show you my new toy that I purchased from AliExpress. This USB style soldering iron from company name KSGR, if I pronounce this correctly, and the model number is PD210. It's using this CD210 style soldering tips. Got nice beautiful color display. Like you can see, heats up very quickly. And the main reason I guess I bought this item, like you can see, it's very compact size. Make it very easy to work on a small SMD components. So instead of buttons like on a regular ink pen style soldering irons, USB style soldering irons, is using this jogging wheel to control the menu parameters. And also interesting feature of this iron is touch sensitive area. So if just wake up from standby, you just touch it, like you can see, it's waking up. So I don't have a powerful enough USB charger. It's a 12 volts USB charger. I'm using my bench power supply at this moment, but I actually tried it with a 5 volt regular cell phone charger and it works. It's okay for a small components. So far I discovered a couple minor drawbacks. The first comes with this cheap case and doesn't have any user guides, user manual, so you have to figure out all these menu options for yourself. And the second, the plastic feels kind of hard, like on the cheap cars. I wish it was a little bit softer to touch. So, but that's a minor problem. So another thing, this jogging wheel feels a little bit flimsy. But again, after you set the settings, menu settings, you don't have to touch it very often. So the price of this soldering irons with 3 tips is around $42, and I think it's pretty good buy. So thank you for watching.